Hey guys, how are you all doing there? I hope everybody is doing good. Today I'm going to show you a super fun recipe of how to make these ice cream cone cupcakes. I'm also sharing an eggless chocolate cake recipe here, so let's start with the batter. Here I have some all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add some baking soda and then baking powder into the sieve. I'm also adding along the cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder here, and some sugar and salt. We're gonna sift it all together to take out all the lumps from the cocoa powder, and it also helps us mix the dry ingredients together. Push the cocoa powder lumps against the sieve using a spatula. Give it a quick mix with a whisk to combine all the dry ingredients well. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter into a jar, 1/3 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of curd or unsweetened yogurt, some vanilla extract. Mix it all together using your whisk to emulsify all the liquid ingredients. Whisk it about for 1 minute till everything is combined well. Place the ice cream cones into the cone cake stand. Here I'm using a Wilton brand stand today. I will share the link below in the description box. If you can't find this kind of stand, you can use any baking dish or cake tin or even a coffee mug the way I'm showing here. Cover it with the aluminum foil and slit an X with a knife, and you can place the cone in the center. This works well too. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and add in all the liquid ingredients and start mixing using your whisk. We don't need any fancy equipments here. We can just use the whisk and keep whisking it for about 2 minutes. Run your spatula in between to make sure there are no lumps in the batter. You can use this eggless chocolate cake recipe to even make a regular cake. This yields 1 6-inch round tin. Add 1.5 tablespoons of batter into each of these cones. This recipe yields exactly 12 cupcake cones. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also have lots of interesting eggless recipes in my channel. I'm going to share the link above here. Another tip I have here is that place your tray in the lowest rack of your oven so that we can avoid the burns on the edges of the cones. Bake these in an oven preheated to 180 degrees centigrade for about 14 to 16 minutes or until the toothpick test comes out clean. My cake cones are out of the oven and they look beautiful, but you can see that the bigger cones have little bit of burns in the edges, though I placed them in the lowest rack of my oven. Now I'm going to let them cool down completely before frosting. I decided to make them look more fun, so here I have some melted chocolate into which I am dipping these cake cones, and then I'm going to sprinkle my favorite rainbow sprinkle all over the edges, and I'm going to let this chocolate set completely. Repeat the same process with all other cones and let the chocolate set completely. I'm also adding a link for a super moist, amazing chocolate cake recipe. Link above here. Please do check it. Now that the chocolate is set completely, I am piping the swirls using American buttercream. Today I'm using 2D Wilton tip here. This gives beautiful swirls, and these just look like those soft serve ice creams or softies as we call. I also have a 3-ingredient no churn ice cream recipe in my channel. I'm gonna share the link above here if you're interested in making your own ice creams at home. This is a go-to recipe. Please do check the link. Who doesn't like cherries on top of their ice creams? So here I'm adding some cherries on top of our frosting of the cake cones, and I'm gonna sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles. Rainbow sprinkles are so much fun and my kids love it, so I'm using. You can be creative, you can add some melted chocolate or any other nuts that you want. You can go creative with these sprinkles. These ice cream cone cupcakes look amazing. I bet they taste amazing too. And look at this, how beautiful they are. These should be such fun addition to any birthday parties. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.